Welcome back. If you can lose belly fat in just 30 days, so don't skip this video, and this workout depend on 4 weeks, and the last week is most important for workout and for diet, so don't skip this video if you want to lose belly fat. Ready to lose that stubborn belly fat? In today's video, we're giving you a complete 30-day plan that breaks down exactly what to do week by week. So, if you stick with us for the next 4 weeks, you'll not only see the difference but feel amazing too. Let's get started. Week 1 is all about laying the groundwork. We're going to start with 2 main areas: cleaning up your nutrition and adding cardio to jumpstart fat loss. 1. Focused on nutrition. In week 1, cut out sugary foods and drinks. Try switching to healthier options like water, green tea, or black coffee. Also, start eating balanced meals with protein, veggies, and whole grains. Try to have 3 meals and 2 small snacks throughout the day. Here's an example. For breakfast, have oatmeal with berries. For lunch, a lean protein like chicken or tofu with veggies. And dinner can be something light but filling, like a salad or a veggie stir-fry. 2. Cardio sessions. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of cardio, 4 to 5 times a week. This could be a brisk walk, cycling, or even dancing. Whatever keeps your heart rate up is perfect. Make sure you're breathing deeply and keeping up a steady pace. If you're just starting out, start slow, but try to pick up the intensity as the week progresses. Week 2. Introducing core workouts. 1. Add core exercises in week 2. We're introducing some core strengthening exercises. These won't burn belly fat directly, but will help you build muscle in your core. Here's a quick core routine for you to do 3 times this week. Planks. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, increased if you can. Russian twists. Do 15 twists on each side. Bicycle crunches. Go for 15 reps per side. Do this routine 3 times per week, ideally after your cardio. You'll feel your core getting stronger, which is essential for a lean look. 2. Improve nutrition further. This week, focus on portion control. Try using a smaller plate to help manage portions. Also, start including more fiber in your diet. Foods like leafy greens, oats, and beans. Fiber is fantastic for digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer, so you're less likely to snack unnecessarily. 3. Keep up the cardio. Continue with 20 to 30 minutes of cardio, but increase the intensity if you can. Try jogging instead of walking or add short sprints if you're cycling.